Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you 3 different tricks to help your eyes look bigger, brighter, and more awake. Okay, so the first trick is our Victorious Cream Shadow. This is a nude color. So the shade is called Victorious. It is a matte, like a light flesh color, I guess you would call it. So I just apply this with my finger. You can use a brush as well, but I just find finger is easier. And I apply this all over my eyelid. Okay, so you can already see a difference. This eye looks much brighter than this one. Okay. So the second thing I use to brighten up my eyes is a white eyeliner. I know everyone says, white eyeliner? Are you crazy? But I swear it makes a huge difference. So you want to make sure to sharpen it before you do this, and you're just going to apply it along your waterline. So that is a part of your eyelid that is just above your lashes. And as you can see on my right eye, or on the right side, my waterline looks kind of red. So that makes your eyes look more tired. When you create the white line there, that makes your eyes look bigger and more awake. You don't look as tired when you apply this white eyeliner, and I absolutely love this trick. So last but definitely not least is mascara. Mascara is probably the #1 thing to make your eyes look bigger and brighter. So I always recommend mascara, even if you don't have time for any other makeup. It definitely helps your eyes open up and makes your lashes look bigger and longer than if you weren't wearing any at all. So I am of course wearing our Epic mascara. I believe this is a waterproof one, but we also have a regular black and brown that are non-waterproof. They are water resistant and super easy to remove. Okay, so this is my final look, and if you compare my two eyes, you can definitely see a difference in brightness. One looks more awake, the other one is more bloodshot and red around my eye. It's just awful. Sleep deprivation at its finest. So those are just 3 quick, easy tricks that anyone can do. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're watching my YouTube channel, thank you for your support. Please like and subscribe. I really, really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.